Today we study how to say the word here. This is a word, right? Some people they say as the like this, and some people they say as the like this. Why? Which one is correct? Whether the or there? I say both are correct. But if you know phonetics, then you come to know when you people say the and when we should say the, right? So just I'll tell you why it is there and the. Just if you take an example for it, this is table, right? And here it is and. If there is this word before this, we say the. And if there is this word before this, we say there. Wait, get me clearly. After there, if there is a noun, if it begins with consonant, there we use there. And after this word, if there is a noun, if it begins with vowel, then we say the. Clear? So like this in English, many things are there to learn. Today, just you learned about it. And if I say in brief, you know all the names of days, how to say there's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Like that, if you take any word, here it's what? Bed, but not board, you know? That's wrong. Bed. This is what? Shirt, right? And if you take here, many things we can discuss. Here it's a word, right? Shirt is shirt. If we go to vocabulary of Karnataka, how we say it, shoot. Is it right? Shoot. No, we have to say shirt. This is shiro. This is till. Shirt. Like this. Yes. We have many things to study in phonetics in English. So in coming days, if you want to study all those things, just to visit Global Study Center Vegalcout and Meru IAS and K Study Center Dharwad. Thank you guys.